Welcome back to our channel TechTube everybody, where we post tech related videos. And in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can download Midjourney images. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you guys. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel TechTube, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on for future tech related videos just like this. Let's move on. So the first step is you want to come to the Discord server of Midjourney and generate the image you want. So let's say I'm on the Discord server of Midjourney and I like this image. But if I try to download this, then all four of this is going to be downloaded. So if I just want to download this version, what I can do is click on U1 because this is quadrant 1. Alright. For this you need to click U3 because this is quadrant 3. It goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so I want this, so I'm going to click U1 and wait for some time now, and it should give me that version at the bottom. So as you guys can see, it's over here. So to download it, what I can do is right click on it and click on where it says save image. Once I do that, I can click on save and it has been downloaded on my computer. Now this is how you guys can download it from the Discord. If you want to download it from the official website of Midjourney, what you can do is go to midjourney.com and log in into your Midjourney account. Once you're inside your account, go on home. Once you're on home, all the image you have generated until now using your Midjourney account will be shown over here. To download it, you can just hover your mouse on top of the image, click on the three dot, click on save image and download it. And if you go on explore, you can see all the different type of images other people have generated. So you can just hover your mouse on top of it, click on three dot, click on save image to download it. So that's how we guys can download image on Midjourney. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel TechTube. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.